So welcome students. So in this question you're given that y is equal to secant of tan inverse x. And you're asked to find dy by dx at x is equal to 1. Again, very straightforward question based on the concept of chain rule. So dy by dx, first let me differentiate this. And after differentiation I'll put x is equal to 1. So how do we differentiate this? First, this is secant of something, right? This is secant of something. So what is the differentiation of secant of something? Secant x, tan x. So secant of tan inverse x, secant of tan inverse x, secant of something into tan of something times, now you have to go for the differentiation of something. So the something that I have assumed here is tan inverse x. And what is the differentiation of tan inverse x? 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square. So what is dy by dx at x is equal to 1? Dy by dx at x is equal to 1. That is equal to secant of tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. That is secant pi by 4 into tan of tan inverse 1 is tan of tan inverse x is nothing but x. So this becomes 1 into 1 by 1 plus x square is 1 by 2. That is equal to secant pi by 4 is nothing but root 2 by 2. So root 2 by 2 is equal to 1 by root 2. So option A is the right answer to this question. Thank you.